Welcome, Superusers! Today we're going to learn how to create feathered beams in Finale. So the way you want to create a feathered beam is we're actually going to start just by entering the note value that we want. So I'm going to use 30-second notes because that makes it very clear of what the actual value is, right? And so let's say we want to make it that way this feathered beam lasts over 2 full beats, okay? So we'll just start entering 2 full beats of 30-second notes, however we want them to connect. So I'm going to go to the first one in the second group, right? And I'm just going to hit slash. Slash will tell Finale to connect the beams. And if you hit slash again, it'll unconnect them. And that way you can actually break the beams at any point you want. But we want them together, right? Because a feathered beam works better together. So next we're going to go over to our special tools. This is the little wrench. And in special tools, we're going to go to this one, which is the secondary beam angle tool. We're going to click it and click on our beams that we want to work on. And I'm going to zoom in a bit using Control+, which will allow us to see what we're actually doing better. So what this allows us, this tool allows us to do is these secondary beams. So the one that would normally add for the 16th and 32nd notes, we can now shift these around. So for instance, I can take this one beam and I could just move it up and down wherever I want. And so we're going to move it that way it's exactly lined up with the first beam. And we're going to take this side. This side, all it does is angle it. And so you actually have to move the left side first before you angle the second. And we're going to put it right there in the center between the two. And now we're just going to repeat for the final beam. And we're going to put it until they're exactly lined up. And then we're going to go to the right side and we're going to angle it. So that is how you create feathered beams in Finale.